Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am super excited to take you guys on a fully furnished apartment tour in my downtown Buffalo apartment. Matt and I have been living in this apartment for a little over a year, and the last time I did an apartment tour was about 6 months in to us living here, and we have made quite a number of updates and upgrades, and so I figured why not do a refreshed apartment tour. Welcome to the apartment tour. I am so happy to have you guys here. So let me first show you guys, when you walk in, we have this little shoe rack, shoe organizer thing that we got off Amazon. I love this piece. That is a gem for putting it together because this would have caused me a mental crisis to put together. It did not look easy by any means, and the reviews say it's not easy to put together, but it is great, super affordable and
super functional. So
we have an opening drawer here where we just have like Gouda stuff, a little dog coat, umbrella, poop bags and stuff. Then these two both fold down. So we've got some of Matt's shoes here and then some of my shoes here. And I've been getting super into decor lately. So we have two vases here. We've got this one, they're both from the home store. This one has a little cutout, and then this one you will see a few times throughout the apartment. I'm obsessed with it, just like a nice classic white ceramic. It's a perfect height.
And super affordable. This is like $16 at the home store.
And Matt and I got some nice pictures done recently, so as soon as we get those back, which should be like any day now, we're gonna get some of those framed, and we might hang one big one here, maybe two, maybe we'll do a grid of 4. I'm not totally sure yet how we're gonna do that, but this is the little entryway. And to the left, you have our hallway closet, and then this little sitting area. So it's a mess behind that chair. That is where I'm stocking all my stuff that I'm shipping out for Poshmark, but this is perfect because just like for getting ready and whatever, this is where Matt and I have all of our coats and stuff like that. I've got all my scarves, hats for winter. So it's just nice to kind of have a chair in the entryway to easily get ready. And in the first version of this apartment tour vlog, Matt had just put these shelves up. We didn't even have them full. And so now you can see we've got the shelves filled. So we've got books here. This is an old Cessna model plane from Matt's grandpa. Super cool. Overflow of books. I have not read any of these yet, but these are literally the last 5 books that I've gotten. And then we have our album overflow as well. So we've got Led Zeppelin up there. We've got Hozier, Duke Ellington, Havana Nights, and then this is like New Orleans, so some jazz music. Basically just our album overflow of albums that we don't have on our album wall, which I'll show you soon. And now I'll take you guys into my bathroom. So this is the first bathroom when you come into the apartment. This one is kind of mine, and Matt is in, I'll show you the other area of the apartment.
And
I also, new upgrade from the last time, got these shelves. Matt put these shelves in for me. I just got some acrylic shelves off of Amazon, and you guys, they're amazing. These shelves are the freaking best because it's just added a lot of utility for me in the bathroom. As you can see here, I have all
of my makeup, like
all my Summer Fridays lip butter bombs. I've got my concealer, my blushes, everything that I use on a day-to-day basis from a makeup standpoint is in here. And then everything from a hair care or skin care, I have kind of up here and in here. So it's just really nice because I don't have to kind of go through either these drawers or this thing to get anything that I'm using on the daily. But the other reason why I love this bathroom so much, it's so big. Like,
so much room for activities in here.
I typically have a huge drying rack that is just like drying all my workout clothes and stuff like that in here. So it's just nice to kind of have this space. But there's a ton of storage. There's 4 drawers in here. These 2 pull-out drawers under here, and then this thing, which is just stocked
with stuff.
And this thing is the best. And then there's also more storage back here. It's not super pretty, like it's not prettily organized, but this is a realistic apartment tour, you know? Eventually we will make this look better because, oh my God, it would bring me so much joy for this to like look nice and crisp and clean and organized, but it works. And yeah, just simple shower curtain. And that is the first bathroom. So I will bring you guys into, oh my God, we have a mopey dog. He's really mad that I'm doing this video right now. So this is the bedroom.
Super simple.
We don't have much in here because this is like literally just where we come to sleep. I really like having a bedroom that doesn't have a TV in it or really have much to do because it just makes it a really peaceful
place for sleeping and rest.
So we've got just a simple artwork on the back. We got that from Home Goods, just like a white textured piece. We have just a simple white comforter. I'm obsessed with this bed frame. Matt also put this together because he's amazingly handy. And the coolest thing about this bed frame is on the bottom, each side has 2 bins that open up. So we have storage under the bed, which is amazing because as you can see, our bedroom isn't tiny, but it's not that big. So from an extra storage standpoint, all we have is this little thing right here, which I have some sweaters and stuff. And then this dresser, which has literally all of my shirts, socks, underwear, bras, all that stuff. So there is a closet behind Matt, just a simple little sliding closet, nothing fancy. So that's the bedroom. So when you leave the bedroom, oh, you know, before we go down the hall and into the open room, I'll just show off our little gallery wall. I love this so much. This is just a really nice, like black and white. I love how all of it comes together and just looks really clean. It's nice and sentimental. We both have different kind of artwork that has meaning to us. We have letters that we both wrote when we were about 9 years old, respectively, and they're very similar letters, basically just talking about how we hate responsibilities, more or less. It's hilarious.
This beautiful puzzle was
made by my friends who own Rust Belt Love. And then this picture of Matt's parents from their wedding is the sweetest. And it's hilarious because this was the picture that we chose of my parents. It's too good. It's just too good. So
that's our gallery wall.
So then this is the hallway. We have a really nice wide hallway, which I absolutely love, and it allows us to really make the hallway functional. Not only do we have this wooden piece here that has some shoes, we have this amazing rack that we were gifted. So we've got a bunch of jackets up here. Matt has shoes up here. I've got shoes down here. And then we have this amazing piece. Super, super functional. So these 3 drawers are also mine, mostly filled with sweaters, and this piece is amazing. Not only was this the first piece of furniture that Matt and I ever got together, but it folds open to a little desk. I literally took a meeting here today rather than taking it at my desk so that Matt and I just have a little bit more distance in taking calls. So this piece is awesome. Love it out here. It's super functional. It's really nice to be able to take meetings from and just have as storage. We have this amazing mirror, which I love so much. And the dog's running off with the slipper. Now you're in the kitchen. So I just love this kitchen so freaking much. Not only is the natural light in here so good, we just have it so much space, like so much countertop space. Here, this island is huge. We have 3 little kind of like bucket stool chairs for the island, and it's honestly where Matt and I eat dinner most nights. Like we sit here a lot more than we do sit at the table, which I'll show you in a minute. These chairs are super comfortable. Got them off Amazon. I will link them in the description below. You know what?
I'll do better.
I'll just link my Amazon storefront because so many of the different pieces in here are linked in my Amazon storefront. So yeah, it's just, the kitchen's amazing. We have so much storage.
So much space.
And it's super functional. We freaking love it. We spend a lot of time in the kitchen. We also have this hutch piece, which is awesome. I brought this from my last apartment and it is amazing. It fits
perfectly
in the space. It matches like the decor and the vibe of the space, and again, it just is super functional. Like we have our air fryer, we've got Matt's gluten toaster, my gluten-free toaster, teas, our cookbooks, Vitamix, all this stuff. We use this thing every day. And now we've got our living room area. So we've got our bookshelf. This was the first bookshelf we had, and then we added those other shelves in the entryway that I showed you for our overflow books. So this is our living room.
Super super cozy.
I love it so much. The orange, the rust of the rug ties in with the pillows that we've got here. It's just like a really warm and cozy kind of a vibe. I love our TV stand so much. Again, it'll be linked in the Amazon storefront. It is a great TV stand, a nice height. As you can see, we've got another one of those vases.
And
We have our little plant corner. And another new addition from the last time I did this vlog is this piece. So we also got this at the home store, and we've got some games in here, and all of our records are in here, which
I will show you.
why all of our records are in here. We have more plants. We needed the extra overflow. So this piece has been really great. We used to have a dog bed out here for Gouda. He never used it, so we realized it's way more functional for us to just have a piece here so that we can have some extra space to put plants, indoor things, and a place to store some more stuff. And
Our records.
because we finally got a record player. I love this piece. This was from Matt's mom. We just have like random candles. I've got streamers because Matt and I are throwing a party soon. And our amazing Audio Technica record player. It is so fun to just be able to play music. Matt and I will just like throw on a record while we're cooking on Sundays, and it just like lights some candles. It creates the ultimate cozy vibe.
So,
Moving on and kind of rounding out the rest of the apartment tour, because it is just this big.
open space that we have. So,
We have my workstation. We have a kitchen table that we don't honestly eat at a lot. We don't spend a lot of time here, but it's nice to have. We have this gorgeous chest that is like a family heirloom.
from Matt's family,
It holds extra blankets,
pillows.
really all the things, so that when we host, we have the ability to create a really super cozy space. So we have this thing here, which functions as a room divider that I could bring. It literally goes all the way out to here. If you come a little bit closer, I will show you what we have here, as well as Matt's workspace. Matt's workspace is right here. He has these 3 shelves, which were really like the way that Matt dialed these and made it look so good was the inspiration behind me being like, hey, well, you get some more shelves and do that for us in the entryway. So he also has, we've got this standing desk so that Matt can kind of have like the ability to kind of like work here. This is personal laptop, work laptop. Creates an easier situation for him because his workspace is so much unfairly smaller than my workspace. So this helps to just like amplify it just a little bit. And this is our beautiful record wall. This is honestly one of my favorite things in the apartment. I'm obsessed with it.
We have gotten some new records lately, so it's been so fun to change it up and like
Change the grid. So that's also new from the last vlog, is we have a new grid happening with our records because we've got some new ones.
I think the Pointer Sisters might be new.
The Renee Rapp is definitely new. I know that the Daft Punk is new. So we've got,
Some awesome new records in here.
and the kind of final, oh wait, before I show you this space,
I will show you.
our second bathroom, nothing crazy. This is a smaller bathroom, but this is Matt's bathroom, aka the guest bathroom. So whenever we have someone staying over, Matt
Moves into my bathroom and we just give the guests this bathroom. So,
We've got some nice art here. Shower. This is just a standing shower, no tub, but what's nice is it's pretty deep. And there's a nice little bench that does kind of make it nice, especially for like when I'm having my parents over. If you don't have a tub and something that makes it a little bit more relaxing,
the shower seat just kind of helps to add.
a little bit of comfort, I think, to the shower. So the last and final part of the space is the daybed here. And so when we have people over, like my mom is literally coming at the end of the week, I will take this room divider and bring it all the way out.
We've got a little night light.
And again, we've got it set up obviously as a daybed for just when we're hanging out, but I will transform this and kind of make it into
A real bed, just take these pillows off the side, give my mom a normal pillow.
give her some extra blankets, and it's super comfortable. This is just a standard twin size mattress. We got the daybed also off of Amazon. I love the gray of it. I love the wooden
Feet of it.
and Gouda is obsessed with this bed. I literally think that he thinks it's his. He jumps on this thing all the time, looks out the window. We'll open the window up and he'll sniff the fresh air coming in. It's just so cute. So he loves this spot so much. And that's it. That is the final apartment tour. I am
So happy with our space and how it has evolved.
over the year that we have been living here. So if you guys watched up until this point, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, because I'll probably do do another apartment tour as we continue to evolve in the space and kind of change things up, maybe get new things. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for gathering my slippers. These are what we call Gouda's emotional support slippers. They used to be mine. At this point, he has like destroyed them. Not to the point that they're unwearable. You can still see they've got the soles intact and stuff, but to the point that they're just not comfortable and or enjoyable to wear. So we just keep them there, and he grabs them when he's feeling stressed or needy. It's ridiculous. You're in the video, don't worry. You're a part of it. You're a part of it. You just need love and attention.